Did you know you can create a full song in just 60 seconds, completely free, using AI? In this video I'll show you exactly how, step by step, with a tool called Suno. Stay till the end to see the result. Suno is an AI tool that lets you create a full song without any skills or expensive software, right inside your browser. Let me show you how it works. Here are some real examples created with Suno. Just look at the quality, and remember, all of this was made by regular people with no experience. With Suno you can create a full song and a whole lot more in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup, everything runs right in your browser. These results are stunning, and the best part is you can make something just like this yourself in only 60 seconds. Let me show you how. First, head over to the Suno website and click sign up. Log in with your Google account in just a few seconds, no credit card needed. To create a full song, just type a simple description of what you want, or upload your file. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. Hit generate, and in seconds the AI creates your result, just like these examples. Pick your favorite and move on. When you're happy with it, download your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your projects, or social media. Done in 60 seconds. The free plan is perfect to get started. If you need more, the paid plans are cheap and scale up as you grow. And that's how you create a full song with AI in 60 seconds. The link to try Suno for free is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I review a brand new AI tool every single day.